Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to reverse a video in CapCut PC. So start by adding your clip to the timeline and now select the clip that you want to reverse. So I'm going to reverse this clip here, so I'm going to click on it. And now you might think that the option to reverse it is over here. However, you actually need to head over to this little line of options here. And now you want to click on this little icon here that says reverse. So simply click and that's going to reverse. It's just going to take a little minute. And there we go. And now we see the video. Sorry. And now we see the video in reverse. You can see it just flew backwards. And yeah, that's basically how you can reverse a clip in CapCut.